In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a folder to Dropbox in an easy step-by-step tutorial for 2025. Whether you're new to Dropbox or just need a quick refresher, this tutorial is perfect for you. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Dropbox.com. If you aren't logged in yet, go ahead and sign in using your Dropbox account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Home or Files section. This area displays all your existing files and folders, providing a comprehensive overview of your documents and media. Here, you'll want to look out for the plus Create button. It's usually positioned either on the left sidebar or at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on plus Create reveals various options, one of which is the folder option, which is what we need to proceed. When you select this, you will get the opportunity to name your new folder. Naming your folder is an essential step because it helps in organizing your files and makes it easier to find them later. You might want to name your folder something descriptive like Project 2025 or based on whatever content you'll be storing inside it. Once you've decided on a name, it's time to make your new folder official. Just hit the Create button and there you have it. Your freshly named folder will now appear in your Dropbox file list. It's automatically positioned according to your file viewing preferences. If you wish to organize files into this folder, you can simply upload them directly or use the handy drag and drop feature. This allows you to effortlessly move files from your computer into the Dropbox folder. Now that you know how to create a folder in Dropbox, it becomes a much easier task to manage and organize your digital space. You can systematically categorize documents, photos, and videos, which can be a game changer for both personal and professional projects. With this knowledge, your Dropbox account becomes more than just cloud storage. It becomes a digital workspace tailored entirely to your needs. You've now successfully mastered a simple yet highly effective method for managing your cloud storage on Dropbox. Remember, organizing your digital life might seem daunting at first, but taking small steps like creating folders and properly naming them can significantly enhance your productivity and efficiency. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I encourage you to explore more features that Dropbox has to offer to maximize your cloud storage experience. Thanks for tuning in, and